union of sets. What is the meaning of union? When I have two sets, A, let's say A is ABC, and I have B as BCDE, then I will write A union B as listing all the elements of A and B once. So A, B, C, D, E will be the value of A union B. When I talk about intersection, so in intersection, I will write like this, A intersection B. These are all symbols. This is the symbol for union. Opposite is the symbol for intersection. Intersection means common elements. So we will list down the common elements of A and B, and that will be B, C. If I want to show that on Venn diagram, then on Venn diagram, I will be having first this rectangle. This rectangle is represented as universal set. Okay, so universal set is a set which will have all these different sets, what we are discussing. So let's say for this example, the universal set is represented by U, and it will have all letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So how will I represent all of them on this Venn diagram? Okay, I have a universal set. I have set A and B, then I have A union B and A intersection B. So on the Venn diagram, I start with two circles. A circle represent a set. Okay, this common part, which is like an overlap between both the set A and B, is A intersection B. Okay, so A intersection B, if I want to write, then I'll write B and C inside. Okay, B and C. Then I will write down the elements of A. So for A, I have ABC, out of which B and C are trapped inside, and A will be written over here. So just you look at the circle of A, we have all ABC written within the circle of A. Similarly, within the circle of B, we will write B, C, D, and E. And the remaining elements from universal set, we have A, B, C, D, E. They are all parts of A or B. But if you look at F, G, H, these are not part of either A or B. Okay, so they will be written outside. So the remaining elements are F, G, H. They will be written outside anywhere randomly in that space. Okay, so this completes the overall representation of a set which has universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, which has set A and B. Then we can see A union B. A union B, as per this, will be this whole shaded part, which will have both A and B. Okay, so we normally write A union B as A or B, and the meaning of A or B is that it will be either A or B or both. So when I'm saying A means I'm just talking about A circle. When I'm saying B means I'm just talking about B circle. And when I'm saying both, it means I'm talking about that overlap part. So overlap part came twice with A and B both, but we have to make sure that it is only written once. Based on this only, later there will be a formula for A union B. Currently we're not doing it. Okay, and for intersection, it will be the common part. So for now, you can just learn like this, that intersection means A and B. A and B means it is a mandatory condition that it should be A and B both. Okay.
Okay.
So this is all about union and intersection of sets.